So you can always add pages, you can remove pages, you can switch it up whichever way you like. Okay, like it said on my friend's thing, the next step is to actually set up taxes and shipping. Okay, so for taxes, you guys, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to taxes. Okay, so we're going to go to taxes. Again, I already have mine set up. Okay, so usually this will be empty. Okay, you guys, this would be empty. So usually you'll go to add a tax rate. Okay, when you go to add a tax rate, you'll automatically see like you'll click the United States taxes. Okay, so you'll click United States, and then usually all of the states will pop up and you'll check all and have it that way. However, okay, one thing that I did notice is that automatically calculate taxes. Okay, so what that does, okay, you guys, is that instead of having to figure out what your taxes is for your website, what it will do is that the address that you use for your website, so of course you'll have an address plugged in. Come puppy. Sorry, y'all. Give me one moment, okay? Give me one moment. He definitely did. Okay, sorry, y'all. My son always plays with my bubble wraps, right? So he decided to slip on one and fall. But it's okay. He's up. He's at it again. Sissy took him. But yes, you guys. So the way that it works, okay, you guys, is that you will just click this, and the address that you use for your website for your business will automatically put it in, right? So as you see, it says Tennessee, and it has your tax rate and then applicable local taxes. So the 7% or whatever percent you see here is for the federal. Okay, so whatever taxes you have for the federal plus whatever your local taxes are. Okay, that's one thing that I did notice. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save that now. All right, so auto calculated, as you see, this is how it will look. Okay, you can have it set up for pickups and deliveries and self-service. Depends on the business that you're using. Okay, so as y'all guys see, they made it super easy to set up your taxes. Okay, now for shipping. Okay, oh no, that's for checkout, you guys. Give me one moment. Oh, that's notifications. All right, let me see. There we go. So you will go to fulfillment. Okay, so go to fulfillment and then go to shipping. All right. Now, if you are going to use the UPS, great. Me, however, I use pirateship.com. And what Pirateship actually just did was that they plugged in UPS. So at first, Pirateship was only partnered with the USPS, the United Postal Service. United States Postal Service. There we go. Now I got it. Okay, y'all. Okay. But the USPS was the only thing that they were, partnered with. However, they recently just partnered with UPS. Okay. Now I use Pirateship because some of my packages are really small ones, so I don't really need UPS. UPS is for like the big packages, okay? But I know that I did recently get a big order, and instead of using USPS, Pirateship basically informed me, hey, we're going to use UPS for this one because it's at a lower discount. All right. So just FYI, Pirateship is the way to go, y'all. Okay, but you can use UPS with here, okay? It does say that you will save up to 55% on shipping if you use UPS with Square. You can also connect other things, but here is where you want to focus, okay, you guys want to focus on the shipping profiles, okay? So you want to go, as you see, I already have my shipping set up, okay? I already have it set up. I have it set up with the 50 states and the 9 properties. Okay, puppy, come on. Say hi. All right. But as I told y'all, I'm a mama. I got to do both, okay? But right, so you have your 50 states and then the 9 properties. Okay, the reason why it says 9 properties is because I can only personally ship in the United States and to the Virgin Islands. All right, so that's why I stated like that. I have it set up where my flat rate is $5 per order. And then if you do an order of $60 or up, you get free shipping. Okay. $60 with the paparazzi jewelry is 12 items. And with that, okay, there is also where if you do the 12 items, you will get 1 additional free because that's my loyalty customer deal. Okay. So if you buy 12, you get 1 free and free shipping. Come on, y'all. All right, but that's how I have mine set up. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit it, but this is how I have it named. Okay, so you'll have it named United States and Territories, whatever you want to name it. Okay. The default, I have it so that it's for all items. Okay, I don't have no custom rates for specific items. All right, you will go to shipping to, and then you will put in your country, continent, wherever you're shipping to. Like my husband, he's Guyanese. So if I was able to ship to Guyana, I would just add Guyana to here, where if they make an order online, they can go ahead and automatically add shipping that way. But here is where you would focus. Okay, so you would add the country. Of course, I have the United States and the Virgin Islands. So you will go ahead and have those. Then you will have your rates. Again, I set it up this way where my flat rate shipping. So I'm just going to click 1. So you can do real-time shipping rates. You can do flat rate. You can do free shipping, or you can do based order on weight, total, based on number of items, whatever. Okay. However, I make it super simple for my customers. I just have my flat rate. It's called standard shipping. So of course, if you are making an order with me and you don't order over $60, you will see standard shipping there, and that's what you will click. Okay, you can also change your rate for per item. So let's say you want to charge 25 cents for every item they purchase. You can do it that way as well. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that as done. And then for free shipping, again, when you're at the thing, when you're up here, instead of going to flat rate, you will go to free shipping. And that will just be that, right? Super simple and easy, right? And then once you are done, let me move myself so y'all can see. So let me go ahead and move myself. So once you have it all set up, make sure that if you're doing this, that you're putting both of them under the same thing, okay? So that whatever state they're in, whatever Virgin Island they're on, it will be selected. So let's say someone from Virginia is purchasing, but they're not selected in here. It's not going to show the shipping cost and price. Okay, so that's where it gets tricky. You got to make sure that all 50 states are checked and the Virgin Islands. Okay, but then once you're done, you're simply just going to click save, and that is it, you guys. Okay, the rest of this is not really needed. So yeah. Of course, I mean, well, that was just a quick overview of everything. And then literally, once you are done, right? Once you are done, okay, once you have all your items in, so let me show you guys, right? So I have all of my items in. Okay, so I have all of my items in. All of the items have their pictures. Again, I have my categories. You have to make sure to have your categories set up. And then once your website is completed, okay, once your website is completed, you guys, all right, you want to go ahead and make sure you press that publish. Okay, make sure you press the publish button so that your website can go active. Okay, so let me see my guides. See, it says that I'm all done because I set up everything I needed, right? But we're going to go ahead and publish. This is what you should see once it's published. Okay, and it will tell you what your website is. My arrow is where my website is. I made it so that it is sassyvioshop.square. Okay, If you did want to end up making your own custom domain, it is going to charge you $6. Okay, it's going to charge you $6 a month to do a custom one. But that's why I just put it at sassyvioshop.square site. So what I did was that I went to Daddy Go, right? A lot of people who start small businesses should know what Daddy Go is. Is where you can make a custom website. All right. As y'all see, he is getting sleepy. But I am gonna go ahead and just again, if you have any questions, of like if I didn't cover a certain area or whatnot, go ahead and drop the question in the comment area. And if needed, you guys, I will go ahead and comment back as quickly as possibly as I can. If it's something that I have to physically show you guys, then I will go ahead and show you guys how to implement that on another video. Okay.